Welcome to Karo. I'm Yang and I'll be showing you around our office today. A bit of history. We've been in Midview City since our inception, first in a single unit downstairs before moving up here. Even then, we were sharing half the space with our sister company, Uni Financial Services. Now, we occupy the entire space. We've implemented an open concept environment to allow easy collaboration and communication, so that the different teams can conveniently bounce ideas off one another. Each department has its own little space, making it easier to work together. Most of the teams are here, but we have a special area for our accounting and HR teams. Come, follow me. Our accounting and HR team sits here, in a private area, away from everyone else. Let's see where the rest of our team are. Over here, we have our marketing team, our tech team, and our product team. Everyone's free to move around to wherever they're comfortable. So sometimes, some people will be standing at the pantry to get their work done. So that's it. We've come to an end of our office tour, but stay tuned for our next video for a tour of our workshop. See ya!